Brothers.
Butchers.
Don't grab them too tight.
No. Big monster truck.
Big monster truck?
Yeah.
Kivik gonna like monster trucks too or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Me too.
I don't know how you like monster trucks. That's your uncle's thing.
Ow.
You like race cars and Dodge Chargers and big monster trucks and all these things. That's your uncle. When you visit your uncle,
Ow.
he has a four-wheeler. He goes, vroom. He used to use it.
Vroom.
I don't think he uses it anymore. Because you get old. I'm not even that old.
No, brother. No, brother.
No brother?
No, brother.
Leave him be. Don't do that. You'll hurt him. Stop, Sal. Be gentle. See? Stop. Don't do that.
News.
Yeah, don't do that. You're going to hurt him.
Move.
Be nice.
Move, Kivik.
No, Kivik's sitting here. You sit here.
No.
We're going to read a book?
Move, Kivik, Daddy. Okay?
No, he's sitting here. Chill. What's the problem? You upset?
Buck.
Okay, let's read a book, kid. There you go. Good boy.
Hey,
High five.
boy.
Boom. Okay.
D. Grab it.
There's his fingers. Count them.
1, 2 fingers. 3. Marker on it.
Why? You put marker on him?
Yeah.
It's not nice.
Not nice. Check. Oh man. Mark on him. Daddy, check.
Okay.
Read it.
Okay, let's read a book.
Read it.
What book do we got, Kiev?
Book.
We got
Book.
Little Golden Favorite.